Hello, friends. How are you? Are you ready to make music? Okay, let us read our pumpkin rhythms. Pumpkin patch, pumpkin patch. I'm looking for a pumpkin in the pumpkin patch. Here is one, nice and round. Read this rhythm, ready, go. Pumpkin pie, ba 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 ba. 1, 2, ready, read. Pumpkin, pumpkin pie, pumpkin, ba 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 ba. 1, 2, ready, read. Pumpkin pie, ba 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 ba. Pumpkin patch, pumpkin patch. I'm looking for a pumpkin in the pumpkin patch. Here is one, nice and round. Read this rhythm, ready, go. Pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, ba 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 ba. 1, 2, ready, read. Pie, sweet potato, pumpkin pie, ba 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 ba. Pumpkin patch, pumpkin patch. I'm looking for a pumpkin in the pumpkin patch. Here is one, nice and round. Read this rhythm, ready now. Cranberry, cranberry, pumpkin pie, ba 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 ba. Sweet potato pie, cranberry pie, ba 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 ba. 1, 2, ready, read. Pumpkin, cranberry, sweet potato pie, ba 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 ba. 1, 2, ready, read. Cranberry pie, pumpkin pie, ba 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 ba. Pumpkin patch, pumpkin patch. I'm looking for a pumpkin in the pumpkin patch. Here is one, nice and round. Turn into a jack-o'-lantern, copy my sound. Cranberry, cranberry, pumpkin pie. Sweet potato pie, sweet potato pie. Sweet potato, pumpkin pie. Pumpkin, sweet potato, cranberry pie. Are you ready to make your own pumpkin rhythms? Great! So, each of you will get a sheet that looks like this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. But you're only going to create 2 rhythms. You're going to make a rhythm here, and then you're going to copy it here, and then you're going to make a different rhythm here and copy it here. If you want to, you can even fold your paper in half, and you'll put the same rhythm on these 2 lines and the same rhythm on these 2 lines. So you're going to get some little pumpkin cards. And we have our sweet potato, pumpkin, yum, and I'm pretty sure cranberry and pie are in here too. So you're going to choose some cards and you're going to make 2 rhythms. Now, let's talk about how to make those rhythms. Let's go to our nice little slide. There we go. So you're going to make 2 rhythms. Now this sheet only has 3, but you know that you're going to have 4. So let me think about what I want to say. Maybe I want to say pie, pie, pumpkin, pie. That sounds pretty cool to me. So I'm going to go pie, pie, pumpkin, pie. I like that. But remember, you're going to copy that exact same rhythm. So then on the next line, I'm going to write pie, pie, pumpkin, pie. So I made a rhythm and I copied it. If I were doing it on my sheet, I would go pie, pie, pumpkin, pie. And then I would do it again here. Pie, pie, pumpkin, pie. And then I'm going to flip it over and make another rhythm. Let me just kind of play with some rhythms and decide what I want to do. Sweet potato pie, cranberry pie. I like that one. Sweet potato pumpkin, pumpkin pie. It's pretty cool. Pie, sweet potato, cranberry pie. Oh, that one's my favorite. So let me say pie, sweet potato, cranberry pie. And then let me copy it. Pie, sweet potato, cranberry pie. So I've now copied the same thing twice. Pie, sweet potato, cranberry pie. Pie, sweet potato, cranberry pie. So I have two different rhythms on my sheet now. So let's talk a little bit about how to make those rhythms and how to make sure that they fit. First of all, how many squares do you see in each line? You see 4. And I want to make sure that my rhythm does not spill over. Remember, yum actually takes up 2 squares. So let's talk a little bit about how I made my rhythm. Okay, do I want to kind of put my things on top of each other? No, I want to put one thing in each square. So if I put a pie there, I need to put a cranberry in the next square, but I don't want to put anything in between. Then it'll just get messy, and I can't really say that rhythm. So what about if I get all the way to the end of my line and I want to add a yum? Did that yum fit on my paper? No. I want to make sure that everything fits inside of my lines. So I have my yum. Can I add something else right here? No, because it's on top of my yum. So make sure that everything fits inside of your 4 lines. We don't want it to go outside of the lines, and we don't want to put things on top of each other because that's just messy. So I'm going to make 2 lines, and you tell me which one looks A-okay. This is my first line. This is my second line. Take a second to look at these 2 lines and think about which one looks A-okay. The second line looks A-okay. Can you talk to somebody close to you and tell them why the second line looks A-okay? Very good, my friends. So now you're going to get your sheet. Remember, I folded it in half so it would be easy for me to remember that I write the same rhythm here and the same rhythm here. You're going to get your cards and you are going to spend this class making 2 rhythms. Now, if you finish, I have a little game for you. You may have noticed that underneath all of my pumpkin rhythms, you see some music notes. So I have some pumpkin rhythms and some music notes. And your job is to match the pumpkin rhythms and the music notes that go with them. So pumpkin pie, pie, pie would match to bump, ba, 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 ba. So these 2 lines match, and I can get rid of this one. So if you are done making your pumpkin rhythms, you can practice matching rhythms. Cool? I can't wait to see which pumpkin rhythms you make when I come back. So make me proud. Do a good job.